CGC IDP Singhan Hali, Manipur Sangai Festival, Tobigunu, Tobiaro, Akogi, Punsi, Home, the Yadi and Hyper Hopre. Adugi Matunda, Akogi, Manipur Gasoba, organized Oiba, Epoxbodo, Coco-Mina, Masiboycotawi, Hibisima Hyper Hopre, start organizing so hide in my bills is so hide. Masida DMCC might take the as a convener when Akogi Yam, Kandamasigi Matanga discussion, Karen Tori, Aquina Hygienic Embassy. Sangai Festival se karigidam to tawgibano. Sangai Festival se Manipur trade and commerce industry sakon nabagina magta Manipur labor community mayam singdugi oiba yum sadana moirangda kumbida yum community khudimaki yum sadana akogi Manipur haibase sigumba laiba amani sigumba community gi laiba kuntra mari manga sina punjalaga semba adugumba community amani haidana akogi apunba phajaba akogi cultural akogi laiba podadu phajana adu mayam da unanaba showcase taunanaba adugi damakta semba program amani singi program se aduna akogi imphal da tawdana tana akogi sosampu da sumamanda program tawkiba leire ko adu akoina hangningi di ba saka da hangningi badi aji governor da hangningi wo afum di akoi imphal da program tawu matam da cookie mayam yawu ya dori bra Manipuri citizen cookie mayam yawu ya dori bra ba Josampu da tawu matam da maitai mayam sing sappa ya dori bra ba Shigi mapam sa sappa ya da na leiba condition says da Sangai Festival tawraga kari message no ba governor na pinning ise haibi athadi hanagi Manipur gi leijaramba community mayam sinje amat oina punsin laga leiminaba phajaba sakam do hoji kaire aduna tampak tana imphal dana maitai mayam ga naga singa yauro adu sosampu dana ta atoba mafam dana adu community yauni haida machet taraba Manipur ji unnadaba gi dam taraba Sangai Festival tawdoise aduna Sangai Festival se masi aikoi gi sensibility da aikoi gi unity da aikoi gi apun bada attack toba governor na attack toba ba sakar na attack toba adu mani haibase haibo lena Manipur miyam nasu ngasigi views tabi khudima nasu Sangai Festival se ai sai gi ni na khala kanda Sangai Festival se boycott tobam thoi haibase aha ma thamsake anisuba phamda Sangai Festival se imphal la tawrogum seba ko akoi tonga lupsing la boycott tawra ha do Sangai Festival se ukhul da tawra ga akoi yadori bra wang ma lage governor na hai Sangai Festival imphal kita apta ka jibu to se tawroi handakti Chandel da tawrani Josampu da tawrani Tamenglong da tawrani tawbiyo ba Sangai Festival tawdo ekakadi Manipuri community sing loimak yaw ya halo Manipur ki community loi yaw ya do wai tadi Sangai Festival tawbigano. That is the message. So I am taking an opportunity in this discussion, in this forum, and I would like to appeal to the governor of Manipur and the government of India that why you have to remember why Sangai Festival is being organized. It has been organized in the last almost 10 years. It is only because to showcase the Manipuri unity of the community, that all the 34 communities have a unique culture, unique identity, and it has to be showcased to the other world so that other people from other states can come and progress our trade and fair. But now you are organizing, the governor is organizing this event because you wanted to show that the Manipur is divided, community cannot live together, they are not crossing from one place to other. So this is a sectarian politics, so you should stop this. If the governor is listening to this program, you should stop this divisive policy, and this should be cancelled, and then you should prepare first that all the community live together, and then you should organize this Sangai Festival. Sumaina thamjage aina Manipuri da ngagadi governor ta da basu yai aduna aina English na haijari base moigi governor na prime minister na home minister na sigi program si tara kanda mokoi na sigi message si long rabagi da tawjabani and we should condemn it. And every Manipuri, every community should condemn it. Aduga masi akoy na masi sarkar gi tolop chaba singka kay mayam handak prime minister lako da sunoi thabak thatak kani asagi thabak thatak kani asagi yawba angalwadi yawba sarkar thabak tawba oja mayam si noi thabak thatak kani prime minister lakradi noi chaklu haidana akoy gi economy da insult to monga kongu duwaina Sangai Festival disu moina laiba sakai official mayam sing kaurakanda police na nga ga tawdoriba thabak se madusu aikoina yabam thokte haibase aikoina masigi posima message ma pining. We should condemn it, we should boycott it, and we should stand for all the ITPs, including both the Kukis and the Meitei. We will not speak only for the Meiteis, because Manipur is for 34 communities, and we have to stand for these 34 communities.